Now see what's happening here in this dynamic. Sin in us divides us within ourselves. Sin divides us within. It causes us to fear, to feel shame, and to control. It has us hiding among the trees of the garden like Adam, from one another and from the Lord. And we cannot bear being exposed. But the gospel changes that. While sin divides us, the gospel here unites us within ourselves. God himself knows me as I really am. He sees me as I truly am. I can't hide from him, and he doesn't want me to hide from him because he wants to draw near and cleanse me, be gracious to me. The gospel instills in us a fundamental honesty about ourselves. The gospel instills in us a connection between the inner life and the outer life. A willingness, if you like, to sit in the GP surgery and hear the diagnosis and get the cure. That's what the gospel does for us.